Question 12. Complete a table of values for the equation y equals x cubed plus 2. So we're going to sub each of these x values in one at a time into this formula. Being careful with brackets like so. It won't actually make a difference in this one because of the fact that we have a cubed, but just it's always prudent to use brackets when substituting negatives in. If we sub minus 3 in, we're going to end up with an answer of minus 25. If we sub minus 1 in, we get 1. 0, we get 2. 2, we get 10. And 3, we're going to end up with 29. Part B, on the grid below, draw the graph of y equals x cubed plus 2. So we're basically going to plot the coordinates, the x coordinates here in pink and the y coordinates here in yellow, plotting these points. So minus 3 comma minus 25 is here. Whether or not you mark them with a dot or a cross, it won't matter either way as long as they are accurate and clear. So minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 1 comma 1 should be there. 0 comma 2. 1 comma 3. 2 comma 10. And 3 comma 29, like so. Sketching this graph, I would do this in pencil. Pencil first, just to make sure that our curve goes smoothly through these points. So something like what I'm doing here. You want to be careful that when you're drawing this graph that you actually go through the crosses. I see very often when students do this that their curve, I don't know, just draw a bit here, like round about there, you'll find their curve just completely misses the points, which is just such an easy way to draw marks. Yeah, right there, that's what your graph should look like. Part C, use your graph. Important statement here. You must use your graph or show evidence on said graph that you have tried to figure out the value of x when y equals 6. You cannot sub 6 into here and solve it. That's you algebraically finding the answer. You will get 0 marks for it even if it's correct. Using your graph, y equals 6 means that we know that the y coordinate is going to be 6. So what we do is we run this along until we hit our graph, which I'm getting here, giving us an x value of 1.5. You'd have a little bit of give or take depending on what your curve looks like. But yeah, 1.5 is what I'm getting as our x value. Done.